To create this part, I start by looking at it from the front view and sketching the profile on the front plane. So, let's enter the front plane sketch, and use the line tool to draw our initial profile. Starting from here. I apply the dimensions 50 mm, 50 mm, 30 mm for these segments. Now for this 10 mm fillet. Since the part thickness is 10 mm, the radius for this outer fillet needs to be 20 mm. I use the Sketch Fillet tool, set the value to 20 mm, and apply it to this corner point. Next, using the Offset Entities command, with a 10 mm distance, I enable Cap Ends and set it to lines to complete the closed profile. Then I use the Extruded Boss command to extrude the sketch 40 mm, using the midplane condition. Now I draw a circle on this face, 30 mm away from the edge, with a 20 mm diameter. So let's start a new sketch on this surface. I draw a circle with a 20 mm diameter, set its distance to 30 mm from this edge, and align its center horizontally with the origin. Next, I cut this circle using the Up to Next condition. So while still in the sketch, I go to the Features tab, select Extruded Cut command, and set the End condition to Up to Next. Note that in this scenario, we could also use the Through All command instead of Up to Next. Through All means the cut will go through all the material in that direction. Even if the part were much thicker, or there's additional geometry further down, it will cut all the way through. In the End condition options, we have Through All and Through All Both. The Through All Both option cuts infinitely in both directions from the sketch plane. So for this example, I use Through All condition. Finally, I apply the required 3D fillets to the model. We need 2 fillets with a 10 mm radius and 1 special full round fillet. From the Features tab, I select the Fillet tool, set the radius to 10 mm, and pick this edge and this edge. I select the Fillet tool again, but this time I choose the last type, the Full Round Fillet. For this type, you must select 3 adjacent faces in the selection boxes provided, and SolidWorks will then automatically calculate the perfect full radius. I select this face as the first one, this middle face as the second, and this last face as the third. And as you can see, the full round fillet is created perfectly. And that's how simple it is to create this part using these features.